Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's get into the video.
Got my middle up while I'm singing. Fuck fake friends, we don't need them. Only thing they're good for is leaving. Fuck fake friends, we don't need them.
Hey guys, so I'm going to collect another dog, and Luna's sat next to me. Myself. What is this on the radio? I will still be doing Max and Winnie's story, but it's just this came up now and I'm doing a video about this dog. So yeah, keep watching to see this dog. 11 miles to go.
'Cause I'm high like hell, so burn when I'm not there and you're by yourself. Man, the answer to your prayers, I'll give you the pleasure of heaven, and I'll give
3 miles. Okay guys, so we're nearly there. Nearly there to see him. I'll pop a picture right here so you can see him. Okay, so I just got home and we're introducing the dogs one by one. They've all been brilliant so far, but so my dad's taking them out for walks quickly so they can get used to each other. So they're going for the walk now and I can show you him later. Oh, it's dark. Okay guys, so basically got home, the dogs have settled in. I'll show you Luna in a minute when I turn around the camera. I'll show you Max in a minute as well. Okay, so basically it is, what time is it? It is 11:37 and the dogs are all asleep. New dog and the other dogs are in the room next door with my mum, and then I've got Max and Luna, and tomorrow I'm going to stay with my brother, so I might carry this video on and upload it tomorrow night, and the Max and Winnie video will have to be on Wednesday when I get home. So yeah, I'm sorry that's been so late, but it is still going to happen, the video definitely. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and next time you see me will be tomorrow, so bye till tomorrow. Technically it will just be a second for you guys, but yeah.
When you drop down, lose focus. When that thing clap, that's a bonus. That cake looking appetizing. Backpack food, that's a crisis. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my brain. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe.
Okay, hey guys, one sec. Okay, so basically what's happened is it's Wednesday. I stayed at my brother's. Do I look horrible at these? I guess. I stayed at my brother's. Do you like my earrings? I stayed at my brother's. I didn't record anything because there was nothing, like, we did loads. We did too much to record. So I didn't get around to recording that. And you're probably wondering, where is the new dog? The new dog had to go because it didn't go on with my dogs, and that we just couldn't risk it with our dogs because we would never get rid of our dogs to have a new dog, because it's not about that our dogs are our dogs and we're only fostering that dog anyway. But yeah, so that dog's gone, and right, some news. We have volunteered, like, we're volunteering for a rescue, and we can help them, and I can actually get my own top and go do home checks to people and be an actual rescue person, which is really cool. So I'm actually going to be properly a part of a rescue, so I'll be helping, stuff like that. My mum's calling me, but yes, so I better go, and I will keep talking in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah, I do like me with glasses. Okay, Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna join up for this, and I'm gonna be part of a rescue. Fully myself, I am part of over 10 rescues so far already, but this time I'll actually be volunteering to do stuff for the rescue, charity, home checks. I'll be a home checker and everything, and go to people's houses locally and see if they're suitable for a dog. I'm acting really weird. I'm really hyper today. My mum just said I'm hyper too. I'm just so happy in a way. Yeah, I'm happy and I'm kind of sad. And I just stood here speaking to myself, and I forgot to press play on the record. How annoying! Anyway, there's videos I want to show you, but I'm going to do that in a separate video because they're really funny and really pathetic, but I want you to see them not in this video because it'll be bare, so you should keep an eye out for that. Max and Winnie's video shall come soon, maybe tomorrow, next day. Hopefully it'll be before next week, I'm hoping. Saturday, it's football-wise, just different subjects, is Liverpool against Bournemouth and Bournemouth against Liverpool, yeah. And I might go around my brother's and watch that, hopefully, and play VR again and stuff. And, yeah. So, yeah, you're probably wondering Liverpool, Bournemouth, who I support and stuff. I'm a mix because, I support Bournemouth if it's against Liverpool, but if it's Liverpool against anyone else, I'll support Liverpool, and if it's... You get what I mean. But I do love Bournemouth because it's near where I'm from, and I don't really know, it's just... It's weird why I support it, but yeah. Dancing. Not, I can't dance. There's nothing else really to add. I'm just mumbling in my kitchen. Okay, I need to stop being weird. Do you like my earrings? Oh yeah, I've already said that. My nails, earrings, round glasses. And that's it, I think. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I don't think there's anything else to add. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Probably best if you turn notifications on. If you don't want to, because my videos are probably annoying, stupid videos. But if you want to watch my videos and you think they're interesting, and you want to keep an eye out for Max and Winnie's story because it's a really sad story and detailed, and I've got baby cups in there. You probably want to know that's about. I have a baby niece. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, so the video's coming up, and you probably should keep tuned for it. If that's not your kind of video because it's too sad for you, then don't worry. There'll be other videos coming up soon, hopefully. Max and Winnie's one, and others and stuff. So yeah, have a good day. Hope you enjoyed this video. There's nothing else really to add, and if you want to say anything in the comment section, it's down there. You can just comment stuff. Hit the like button, subscribe and comment, and yeah, do.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be.